See, the hammers don't move, the weapons don't move, but the keys move. The key's broken clean in half. Broken in half, right out into the button. See the button standing there? Key moves. Let's take it apart. Well, the good thing is that it's not right over this hole. It's a little bit to the side on this side, and a little bit to the side on the opposite. So it goes through the hole, but it gives me some room to work on the sides as well. It's very important. Let's get it done. So not everything is being shown here. What you do see is the wood's clamped and glued, and then there's pieces of maple applied to both sides. But before that's done, I used a router bit on a Dremel type of tool to make it a little bit thinner so there'd be room to add these pieces of maple on both sides. Then it's drilled through in two places on the left and the right of the hole. And I inserted wooden dowels, sort of like a hammer shank thickness. And that gives so much strength to the key. It'll never buckle. And it'll never break in the same spot. And that key is probably stronger than it was when it was new.